Did you know that coastal ecosystems track about 4 times more carbon than forests?
When plants grow, they breathe in carbon dioxide from air. Forests do this as well, but mangroves, seagrasses, and salt marshes are super efficient. They trap carbon not just in leaves but in roots and underwater soils, locking it away for thousands of years.
Here's where the carbon credit part comes in. One carbon credit equals 1 ton of carbon dioxide that has been removed from the environment. Companies buy these carbon credits. Now, when this carbon is captured by the coastal ecosystems, it is known as blue carbon. But here's the problem. Nobody is tracking this data properly. NGOs are struggling with project evidence, and carbon credits are never getting issued, or it takes a very long time to get issued. Here's what we want to build the Indian government's first end to end platform that will track, review, and monitor all of this data. So here's our USP. This will be an hybrid MRV model, which would mean that it has automated digital intelligence as well as human verifiers. So everything will be IoT sensor based. The data will be collected through IoTs as well as the admins which will be appointed by the government will also verify the data. Secondly, it will be offline supported accessible. So that in coastal areas there are chances that there might be low bandwidth in rural areas. So this will be online, offline supported as well, and it will be multilingual. Third, and the most important, it will be blockchain based, so that no data can ever be tampered with and it will be stored permanently. With this blue carbon registry, we are not just making software, we are making sure that every carbon captured is verifiable, valuable, and verified. Thank you.